I want to show you right here. I picked up these fuel lines and I'm going to use them to repair the fuel lines on this engine, because the factory fuel lines are made of a crappy material, and I suspect what happened was that the ethanol in the fuel somehow ate up the lines, and that's why they break. They just snap. So they're just sitting in there, snapped, and you don't know until you pull on them. The fuel line doesn't fit on the carburetor. I'm not dealing with that nonsense, and I don't want to buy the cheap version again that was on there already. So I'm just gonna take my time and stretch this portion out so it'll fit on the carburetor. I stretched it out and got it on the carburetor. Try to get on there as much as I can. Okay, it worked. We got fuel in there again. Pretty sure this is the reason why the motor stopped working. See down in there, you can see how the fuel returns. So now this little engine should fire up again. Look how cheap the old fuel line is. It just broke from the ethanol. Now I'm using ethanol-free fuel in it. And there's a little fuel filter on the end. We have to put that on the end of the new hose. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and some needle-nose pliers to try to get a hold of the fuel line in there. I got it. We're gonna have to, it's got this little edge, we're gonna have to cut that off. See if the filter will fit. I'm sure it won't. We'll have to stretch out the hose again. Take the hose, put the screwdriver in, stretch it out again. Take it out, get the filter. Stuff the filter in, if it'll go. Careful, it's plastic.